P-A-B. Easy as 1, 2, 3. An example of do, re, mi, A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me. Hello, I'm Alexis, and this is Catherine. This is Learning with Alexis. Today, I'll be giving you a lesson on P, A, B. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, smart child. First, we're going to talk about the P and what it stands for.
The P.
Yes, indeed. The P stands for the perimeter of a figure. Okay, this is the perimeter of the figure, or the side length of this figure. That means when you are finding the ratio for the perimeter, you are not multiplying, you're not squaring it by anything, okay? We'll show you an example. Okay? So we have two figures. They're both going to be these little square rectangle things. This one is going to have a side length of 2. These are all squares, okay? This one's going to have a side length of 4. So, if we have a 2 to 4 ratio for the side lengths, we can, what's it called? We can simplify this
Scale factor
to 1/2. So the side length is 1 to 2. And you can do the same thing with the perimeter. Now we're going to go on to the areas of the figures, okay? Okay. The A stands for
area.
perfect, Catherine. See, this is why she's a favorite. This time, it is squared when you find this. When you find the area, you're going to square your side length ratio, okay? I'll show you an example. So area is squared. If you remember this, PAV, 1, 2, 3. A is for 2, and 2 is squared, not times 2. That's very commonly mistaken.
Yes.
Okay. So, example time. We have a rectangle. Oh, no, we're doing square. We're not changing things up. Okay? Square.
Let's do the same side lengths because
Good idea.
Yeah.
Good idea.
We can really show people what it's like.
Exactly. So, the area, so this is a square, so all the side lengths are the same. Now, the area, the side length ratio is 2 to 4, like we already went over, because it is P, which is just the 1. You don't have to square it or anything, okay? So you have the 1/2 scale factor. However, since it is area and the P goes to 2, you'll be squaring both of these numbers to find the area ratio. So the area ratio is 1/4. Okay? Next, we're going to do the volume. The volume is for 3-dimensional figures. So, B stands for volume. Catherine, what's up ahead of me? and it is three-dimensional. And in our PAV, it falls into 3, which is cubed. So we're going to find the side length ratio, and we're going to cube that to get our volume ratio, okay?
Is this supposed to be a bear or dog?
It's a mix. It's a mutt.
Do you understand, Mr. Mutt?
Yes. Okay, as you can tell from my pictures, these are both cubes.
Cube.
Cube.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Okay.
Okay. So take the side length, which is 2 and 4, which we assumed which we got from the last couple examples.
Yes.
Which is 1/2.
Yes.
And we cube both of these because it is volume, and volume you cube.
Volume you cube.
You get 1/8.
8.
Don't you love how that works?
I love geometry.
Geometry's my favorite.
Ah!
Okay, see that, students of the world? Okay, so at the end of this lesson, Catherine's gone because she is not here right now. But to end this lesson, I'm going to tell you about some particularly confusing parts to this section and any common misunderstandings or troubles. Okay. I'll start off with the troubles. One of them I mentioned to you in the video is sometimes people think that these 1, 2, 3 is multiplied times 2. So what people think and what is true. So people think that this is two times, and this is 3 times. But that is not right, and if you do that, you'll get it completely wrong, because 2 times and squared are completely different things, okay? What's actually true is that it is x squared and x cubed. So make sure you don't get any of those confused. As long as you remember this lesson will be very easy and will go very well for y'all. Yeah. That I would have to say is the most particularly confusing part. Also make sure that, also something else is that the area includes surface area too for solids. I forgot to mention that earlier. So the A is something that's also confusing because it can get confused with the volume, because that is a 3D figure and area is with a 3D figure or surface area. But A stands for area and surface area. So that could be one thing that's confusing. If you think 3D, you think surface area, but really that goes to 2. Okay,